What's up? It's Kia 2 Technical. I'm back again with another video. Today in this video, I wanted to show you how to set up your fingerprint scanner on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. As you know, this does not have an under display fingerprint scanner, but it has a physical fingerprint scanner key and it's on the side. So pretty much all you'd have to do is just place what finger you want there until you hear it vibrate. And like I always do, I'm using 3 fingers, which is my thumb, my index finger, and my middle finger, just so we can get a good reading, because you never know what kind of position you're in when you go to pick up your device, the certain way you lay it. So it's good to do different positions and different fingers, just so you can have 3 different fingers accessed. And pretty much once you're done, all you need to do is just find your fingerprint scanner. So let's see if it works. Okay, so my index finger works. My thumb works. And now let's try my middle finger. And all 3 of my fingers that I scanned worked. Just want to show you that again. So here's my thumb. Screen on. Thumb. I'm in. Screen on. Index finger. I'm in. Screen on.